Recently, a significant legal development occurred in the ongoing defamation lawsuit against social media star Jake Paul. A judge has refused to dismiss the case, which has sent shockwaves through both the legal community and Jake Paul's fanbase. This decision could have serious implications for Paul, his brand, and the broader conversation surrounding defamation in the age of social media. The lawsuit stems from comments made by Paul that allegedly damaged the reputation of a fellow social media influencer. While the specifics of the statements made by Paul have not been fully disclosed, they reportedly involved serious accusations that could harm the other party's professional and personal life. In today's world, where social media platforms allow for rapid dissemination of information, the stakes in such defamation cases are incredibly high. The plaintiff in this case argues that Paul's statements were not only false but made with a reckless disregard for the truth. This is a crucial element in defamation cases, as proving actual malice can be a challenging hurdle for plaintiffs. The court's decision to allow the case to proceed indicates that the judge believes there are sufficient grounds to explore whether Paul's remarks indeed amounted to defamation. Jake Paul is no stranger to controversy. Over the years, he has found himself embroiled in various legal and public disputes. His often brash and provocative style on social media has attracted millions of followers, but has also drawn criticism and backlash from others. This latest lawsuit adds another layer to Paul's already complex relationship with the public and the media. The judge's refusal to dismiss the case serves as a reminder of the responsibilities that come with being a public figure. While many influencers and celebrities utilize social media to build their brands and connect with fans, they must also be aware of the potential consequences of their words. In an environment where everything is amplified, the impact of a single statement can be profound. This lawsuit also raises questions about the broader implications for social media influencers. As more individuals gain notoriety online, the lines between personal opinion and defamation can become blurred. Influencers often express their thoughts freely, but when those opinions cross into potentially harmful territory, they can find themselves facing legal challenges. In this case, the court will explore not only the validity of the claims, but also the context in which the statements were made. The nature of the influencer industry means that reputations can be built or destroyed in a matter of hours, and understanding the context becomes essential in determining whether the comments were defamatory. The potential outcomes of this case are significant. If the court finds in favor of the plaintiff, it could set a precedent for future defamation cases involving social media influencers. A ruling in this direction could embolden others to hold public figures accountable for their statements, emphasizing the need for accuracy and responsibility in online communication. Conversely, if the court sides with Jake Paul, it could reinforce the notion that influencers have a certain level of immunity when it comes to expressing opinions, provided they do not engage in outright falsehoods. This could lead to a chilling effect on the willingness of influencers to speak candidly, fearing the repercussions of potential legal actions. As the case progresses, both sides are likely to gather evidence, witness testimonies, and expert opinions to support their arguments. Legal teams will focus on dissecting the nuances of what constitutes defamation in the digital age, exploring the balance between free speech and responsible communication. Ultimately, the refusal to dismiss the defamation lawsuit against Jake Paul not only highlights the ongoing challenges of navigating the legal landscape of social media, but also underscores the importance of accountability. For public figures like Paul, this case serves as a crucial reminder of the impact their words can have in a connected world. As fans and followers watch closely, the outcomes of this lawsuit may shape the future of how influencers communicate, advocate, and engage with their audiences. In a space where influence is currency, understanding the legal implications of one's voice is more important than ever. The court's decision to allow this case to move forward will undoubtedly be a focal point for discussions about accountability and responsibility in the influencer age.